I love the flamethrower.
Those Germans, what can I say? They know how to light stuff on fire. Got you an earpiece.
Thanks. Hey, you ever go out on recon with your guys?
No. There's a reason I have the American flag in here. In here, there's society, there's order. Out there, the jungle, the synapses in our brains go dark little by little. You forget where you're from, who you are.
Yeah. So, what about my friend Oliver?
I've almost burst this thing wide open. I can feel it. By the way, you're getting popular.
Lovely weather we're having. My boss, are you planning a parade? That's why I love you, Voss. You make me laugh. Everything in business is so goddamn serious. But you, sir, what about Snow White? You know what? I don't give a fuck about him. I don't give a fuck. Really? Then why am I here? Once you've got the ransom money, his friends are gonna be so like that. I shot his older brother. I did what you wanted with his younger brother. He's my sister. She's inking that white boy. I don't give a fuck about your family. It is by my grace that your head isn't impaled on the antenna of my car. Therefore, I would like it if you gave a fuck about Jason Brody. Okay, Hoyt. Okay. All right. Fantastic. I'm really loving this weather. What's the name of that village down the road? Barristown? Bunch of native sympathizers. They stole the transportation manifest that's close to my heart. I'd like to pay them a visit. Nice to see you, Voss.
Better make your way to Barristown.
I bet Oliver's on the manifest. Who has it?
I'll tell you when you get there. I gotta keep on working. See yourself out.
But I enjoy being a puppet. It's being a puppet is easy. Just let go. Let it all go and follow the sun.
They don't want...
What would you like to buy?
It's a game to them.
But I enjoy being a puppet.
Jump,
It's
kill,
easy.
die.
You just have to
I
let
kill
go,
them.
let
I
all
eat
go.
them. I treat them. Oh, little puppet. They painted you red. You're all red. They dipped you in a
Being
bucket.
a puppet
and
is
you can't call
easy.
them back.
Just let go. Let it all go and follow the sun.
Wait and see. We will be safe again. wait and see. We will be safe again.
Willis? I'm at Barristown.
There's a shack overlooking the pond. You can see the center of the village. Don't be detected.
Hoyt's here.
Wait until he leaves. Otherwise you'll make chicken chow mein out of your
I
friend.
want it to be clear that anyone who helps those savages out in the woods will end up like our friends here. Is my point coming across? You! Run!
See a guy in red stripe?
In the middle of the mine.
Point me! Have fun,
That's our
boys!
man. Go in and extract him.
Are you nuts?
He has the transportation manifest that will lead you to Oliver Carswell. It'll be encrypted, but I'll decode it if you snap me a picture.
Oh shit, Ollie. We gotta save this guy.
Holy fucking shit! I'm hit!
You should be able to spot the mines if you go slow. Okay, nice and slow. Agent Willis Huntley asked me to extract you. He said you could help me find one of my friends. Tell me where Oliver is.
No, I need to go to the village now. I'll tell you when we get there.
What the hell? Fine, follow me.
I got you. We have to get across the field.
Help! I'm getting shot at!
We must reach the village. Follow me. I know where the house of mine. My house is up that hill. Come.
I got the bullet with your name on it. Well,
Oh my God! You're going down! You're mine, shithead! Dead!
That's right, up the hill. Come!
Your boy! Here comes the pain! I'm hit!
You have to go around. Follow me.
Fucker!
Yes, come on. We are almost at the top of the hill.
You're into the world of pain! Whoa! Back, fucker! Deco! You're mine! Drop him! Fuck this! Please!
I will get the documents. Keep watch. Bastards, they robbed me. Where is it?
Watch it! Son of a bitch!
Watch your fire!
Hey, guard me while I search!
And hurry up!
I cannot find the documents! Keep them busy!
There's guys at the house! I'm gonna fuck you up! Charge!
I'm still looking. They threw everything on the floor. I can't believe you caught me.
When I find you, I'm gonna gut you! You better show yourself! I'm sure gonna find you and kill you this time! Aha!
my
Stop
team.
me, motherfucker!
What a mess.
Stop me!
Protect me. I'm still looking.
Dieter, hey! Get those assholes! Kill them! I ain't even started yet! Ah! Bound! Here comes the boom! Ah! Bound! I'm moving! Ah! Gonna cut you down! Ah! Where's that son of a bitch? Oh yeah! I see you! I see you!
Hey, come here. Okay, it's okay. Come in. Pardon the mess. My friend. I found it. I found the transportation manifest.
Great, finally. I'll take a picture of it for Willis. Willis, you got the picture?
The pirates use codes Neanderthals can read. Oliver's being transported on the old road. I've set the decrypted coordinates.
Good! I'm on my way!